there's real potential to reforest at scale here, to plant thousands of trees and actually help lift local farmers out of poverty, because right now they're not deriving an income from this land, and instead bring it back into tree-based agriculture, which is storing carbon and taking it out of the atmosphere whilst also generating income for local people. So we'd love your support in the Big Give Christmas Challenge this year. Double your impact, every pound given is doubled, and help us reforest more areas like this, turning it back into forest.